Today we will see that how we can go ahead and create an invert into service confirmation. So suppose if you are selling a service, you have created a service confirmation document on TranZact. So you need to invert the material in your inventory to do the service part. How you can do that? Quickly, let's go to our transaction module. Now, this is the service confirmation which I have created. So what I will do, I will open this service confirmation timeline. Now, on your right hand side, you will get an option of create document. Click on this. You will get an option of invert document here. Create the invert here. Now, this is the invert document which will get open in front of you. Going below, what I will do, I will put the item which I am taking in for this service. So this is a polishing service which I have sold, and the polish need to be done on the valve. So I will put the needle valve here. The quantity I will go ahead and put, that is 240. Now going below, I will go ahead and either I will save as draft or save as sent. So I will click on save and send, and this invert document will get created in my service confirmation, and same going, my inventory will get approved. So this is how you can go ahead and create invert in service confirmation. I hope it helped you out. Have a good day.